Let's say you're looking for a very portable, lightweight laptop. You're looking at the 15-inch MacBook Air M4, but it's still a little too large for you. If you're interested in a smaller laptop, then keep on watching. Enter the 13-inch MacBook Air M4. This is the same as the 15-inch MacBook Air M4, but at a smaller size. And if you're looking for a really portable and really lightweight computer, then this might be the laptop for you, the perfect laptop for a student. The 13-inch Air M4 gets the M4 chip with 16 gigabytes of unified memory and 256 gigabytes of storage, compared to the 15-inch version with the same amount of RAM and double the storage. This version costs under $1,000 at the time of writing, but looking at the 3-month price history, I'm certain it'll jump back down to $800 or so. Still, it's not bad for a no-nonsense laptop. The storage and RAM should be enough for you. This MacBook Air variant uses the M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and an 8-core GPU instead of a 10-core one similar to that on the 15-inch variant. It still retains the same 16-core neural engine for AI tasks. This is more than enough for students and for users who don't really require very heavy or demanding workloads. Basically for scrolling and browsing, taking notes, watching movies, or consuming various types of content, it's more than enough. You'll be pleased to know it can still do photo editing and video editing tasks as well. Just like the 15-inch MacBook Air, this MacBook Air does not use a fan to cool itself, instead relying on passive cooling. This won't reduce performance drastically, and it won't overheat or turn the laptop into a microwave. Apple's hardware is quite efficient, so your overall performance will still be powerful even if the laptop might thermal throttle. Now let's talk about the display. The MacBook Air gets a 13-inch liquid retina display at a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels with 500 nits of brightness, as well as display P3 color for accurate colors, and it also gets True Tone technology. If you're interested in displaying through an external monitor, this laptop supports up to 2 external displays at 6K 60Hz. When it comes to ports, this laptop gets the same ports as the 15-inch version. To the left are 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which can be used as DisplayPort 1.4 ports, and to the right we have a headphone jack. Overall and practically speaking, this laptop is almost the same, but the 13-inch size makes it ideal for students and for people who travel a lot. It's much more portable and lightweight while sacrificing some screen space. If you're sold on this laptop, you can check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!